morning, grant writers. Rebecca Tuttle here, founder and creator of Grant Write Now and Grant Writing for Good. This morning, we were talking about donor engagement and the different ways that we interact with the people who give to our organizations, the different ways that we communicate what we're doing. On our show this morning, we were specifically focusing on adaptation and innovation. One of the best ways to communicate with your donors is to do it in writing. Now, I'm not suggesting flood their inbox with email communication or even posting to social. When was the last time you picked up a pen and a piece of paper, a stamp and an envelope, and actually sat and wrote out a piece of snail mail? We don't see that very often as we've grown into the age of being more mindful of waste and recycling. But I charge you with a task. In the flood of all of this internet connectivity, pick up a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil, grab a stamp and an envelope, and send your donors. Send someone who's meaningful to you, who you care about their cause. Send someone a piece of snail mail. Let them know, how are you adapting? How are you innovating? What is it that you're up to? I guarantee they're going to probably appreciate it, but even more so, they might even write you back. I know for me, if you take a moment to go to my website, you can certainly pull up the address to my P.O. box. Send me a piece of snail mail. Let me know, what are you up to? What have you been adapting to? What are you innovating in terms of your grant writing and fundraising? And I will be sure to read it. I'll be sure to appreciate it. And I'll be sure to write you back. That's it for now, grant writers. I hope you have a great weekend, and don't underestimate the power of the written word. Take care.